Hi guys, welcome to Let's Make This. Today we are going to make a circuit that can measure water level of a plant, and let's get started. There will be four main parts to this video. First, we are going to make the circuit. Then, we are going to upload and I will explain how to write the code. Then we will tune it, and finally the testing. And let's get started building the circuit. You will need the Arduino Uno board, and you can use a Nano and USBs and Duo boards and Mega boards, any Arduino board you like. And I'm going to use a soil moisture sensor. This is a resistive soil moisture sensor, and this is its circuit board, and a LED indicator, the power bank to supply the power, the USB cable to upload the code, a screwdriver to tune this. So get this Arduino board and get the circuit. I have wired this up so I can show you easily. There's a pin called VCC. It will be connecting to the 5 volts pin of the Arduino, and this is the data pin. It will be connecting to the pin 2 of this Arduino. This is the ground pin. It should connect to ground. Ground means negative in Arduino world, and I'm going to connect this LED's positive terminal to the third pin and the ground terminal to the ground pin. It's tricky because it's inside this board. The circuit is completed. Let's give power and move on to the coding part. We assign a variable in the code, and then we assign pin 13 as output and pin 2 as input. I'm going to change the pin 13 to 3 because I connected the circuit to pin 3, and the pin 2 is the soil moisture sensor. And we do a variable, no, not a variable, it's a if loop. If value equals low, that means the reading is low, the third pin is off. That means the indicator is turned off. If not, the LD indicator is on. That's the whole code, and let's upload it. And the code is done uploading. Let's tune it, then test it. This is the tuning part. Get a well-watered pot of plant and get this probe and stick it in here. As you can see, the indicator didn't turn off, which means this circuit isn't tuned enough. So get your screwdriver and start turning this potentiometer till the LED barely turns off. See, now it's on. Rotate a little bit. Now it's on. This is the perfectly tuned thing. And if we take out this probe, it means there's no water in between. The indicator is on, and when we stick it in here, the indicator turns off. And let's move on to the final testing part. As previously shown, get this thing and put it into the soil. In this case, the soil is dry and I forgot to water this plant. The indicator is in there. See, the indicator isn't turning off, which means there's no water. When I put water into the plant, the indicator turns off, which means there's enough water to the plant. The final conclusion is if we build this circuit and connect it to a water plant and the indicator turns on, and if we water it, it turns off. It's kind of a reminder to water plants. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing and like this video, share this video among your friends, and stay creative. Bye!